Welcome back to Traveling Cloud. Southern Europe is renowned for its picturesque landscapes, rich history, and vibrant cultures. While many dream of owning a piece of this idyllic region, the high property prices in popular destinations like Italy, Spain, and France can be prohibitive. However, for those willing to venture beyond the well-trodden path, there are still hidden gems to be found. Here, we delve into 5 southern European countries where land prices are surprisingly affordable, offering enticing opportunities for prospective buyers and investors. 1. Greece. Greece, with its stunning islands and mainland landscapes, offers some of the most affordable land in southern Europe. While areas like Santorini and Mykonos may command high prices due to their popularity, inland regions and lesser-known islands present excellent value for money. Places like Crete, Peloponnese, and Epirus offer diverse landscapes ranging from mountains to coastal plains, with land prices significantly lower than in more touristy areas. 2. Portugal. Portugal, often overshadowed by its larger neighbor Spain, boasts a wealth of affordable land options, particularly in rural areas. Regions like the Alentejo and Centro offer vast expanses of countryside dotted with olive groves, vineyards, and quaint villages. The Algarve, famous for its stunning coastline, also has pockets of affordable land further inland. Portugal's favorable tax incentives for foreign buyers further enhance its appeal as an investment destination. 3. Bulgaria. While not traditionally considered part of southern Europe, Bulgaria offers incredibly low land prices and an attractive investment climate. The country's picturesque countryside, with its rolling hills and lush valleys, is peppered with affordable land parcels ideal for agricultural pursuits or rural retreats. Popular areas include the Rhodope Mountains, the Danubian Plain, and the Black Sea coast, where prices remain relatively low compared to other European destinations. 4. Albania. Albania, with its stunning Adriatic and Ionian coastlines, is an emerging destination for property investors seeking affordable land. While coastal areas are witnessing increased interest and rising prices, inland regions like the Albanian Alps and the countryside around cities such as Tirana and Shkodër still offer excellent value. Albania's liberalized property laws and relatively low cost of living further enhance its appeal for those looking to invest in southern Europe. 5. North Macedonia. North Macedonia, nestled in the heart of the Balkans, offers some of the most affordable land in the region. The country's diverse landscapes encompass mountain ranges, lakes, and fertile valleys, making it an attractive destination for agricultural investment or ecotourism ventures. Regions like Pelagonia, Palag, and the wine-producing Tigris area offer ample opportunities for those seeking affordable land in a tranquil setting. While these countries offer affordable land options, prospective buyers should conduct thorough research and due diligence before making any purchases. Factors such as infrastructure, access to amenities, and local regulations can significantly impact the value and suitability of a property. Additionally, consulting with legal and financial experts familiar with the local market can help navigate any complexities associated with purchasing land in a foreign country. In conclusion, Southern Europe presents a wealth of opportunities for those looking to invest in land without breaking the bank. Whether you're seeking a rural retreat, agricultural land, or a development opportunity, countries like Greece, Portugal, Bulgaria, Albania, and North Macedonia offer diverse landscapes and affordable prices, making them attractive destinations for savvy investors and aspiring homeowners alike. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your free land journey.